Sonny.
Stop
that.
Go. Let me come. Now. Yeah. They have a lungy appetite. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
What are you doing now?
Can't you see that I'm cleaning?
I can see. You are cleaning. Let me tell you, you are someone who deserves someone. You are a somebody who was somebody.
What are you doing?
I've brought this cabbage. They've told me to bring it.
Okay,
but why do you eat cabbages a lot in this home? You can't eat meat.
Why do you care?
I am sorry. Let me help you. Let me help you with the cleaning. It's okay. Don't worry. What are you dear?
But stop coming here every day.
But when the boss sends me, you want me to stop coming when the boss is the one who was sending me? Yeah?
Okay.
No, let me help you. Don't worry. Don't labor when your laborer is here. What, you've been using this for what?
For cleaning.
This one can serve so many purposes. so many purposes.
Like
it can clean. Don't worry. Me, I'm here. I can help you. Do everything. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. First take the cabbage and come back. Don't worry. Go and come back. This is a lot of weight. Come back.
But stop shouting.
I am shouting.
Stop shouting.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Now, where do you normally clean? Like cleaning, where do you start cleaning from in the morning? You start from here, from the kitchen, from the sitting room,
from the outside.
And then you come inside?
Yes.
No, the right procedure would be from the bedroom to the bathroom, kitchen, and sitting room. So, do you want me to help you with the cleaning?
Okay, you can clean outside. Let me clean.
No. Let us first clean the bedroom. Is it clean? Is your bedroom clean?
It's not.
It's not. Yes, that is what I'm talking about. Let me go help you clean the bedroom.
I know you.
You know me, what do you know about me? You know nothing about me, my dear. Let's go, let's go. We clean and then come back in the sitting room. What is the problem? Let us go.
I know what you're planning.
Let's go. Let's go. Go.
Sonny.
Stop
that.
Go. Let me come. Now, should we go to your boss's bedroom or your bedroom?
I think my boss's bedroom.
Your boss's bedroom. Ah, yeah. That's a good one. It's a big one.
Let me go and close that door. It's done.
Have you looked?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Wait, who's that?
My boss.
Yeah?
It's my boss.
What are you doing inside?
I didn't even started. Let us first finish. Let him die on the door.
Please,
let us
I need
finish.
this job. Go.
Who's that one?
No. Go.
Is it open?
Yes.
Excuse me. You mean you are left-handed?
Yeah, I'm left-handed.
All along you have been using left hand and I didn't know. Do you know how I love people who you use left hand?
How will you know? Because you're not staying here.
Your boss has told me to bring this matoke. She told me that you are going to prepare lunch.
Okay, thank you.
How are you, darling? Sorry. How are you?
I'm fine. How are
You're
you?
fine?
Yeah.
You are a good designer. The way you cut the cabbage My God.
What brings you here now?
Matoke.
Okay, thank you, then leave.
I want some drinking water. I'm too thirsty.
You would have told me before, instead of being here shouting.
I'm sorry, I'm just thirsty. I want some water. Hey, wait a minute.
What is it now?
Can I take the water from inside?
Okay, come.
Eh?
Come.
Now, what I was saying, you're going to give me the water from the fridge.
You wanted water? I wanted
I
what?
want water. But the place where I'm going to take the water from matters a lot.
Okay, come in.
Can I take it from the bedroom? The bed? Yeah, we take it from the bedroom. I think it is okay.